Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change account age in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, if you want to change the account age in Brawl Stars, you won't be able to do so directly, as the game does not allow users to modify their account age through standard settings. However, there is an alternative approach that you can follow to request a change. First, open your preferred web browser and type Brawl Stars Contact into the search bar. Look for the official Brawl Stars support page or help section. Once there, scroll down until you find the contact form link. Click on this link and then select the Contact Us option. On the new interface that appears, you'll see a text box where you can describe your issue. Here, it's crucial to be as informative and descriptive as possible. Explain your problem clearly, including why you need to change the account age, and provide any relevant details that might help the support team understand your situation better. After you've composed your message, click on the Submit button. Your request will then be sent to the Brawl Stars support team. Be patient while waiting for a response, as it may take some time for them to review and address your request. By following these steps, you are essentially submitting a support request, and if deemed appropriate, the Brawl Stars support team may assist you in changing your account age. So that's basically how to change account age in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.